up? Welcome back to another video with your girl. I'm going to be showing you guys all the steps that I take to achieve this amazing, fluffy, voluminous, defined wash and go. If you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching. The foundation of any good wash and go is clean hair, so we'll start in the shower. My hair is super dry and definitely in need of a good wash. I like to start by ensuring my hair is completely drenched before going in with my shampoo. I'm applying some of my Garnier Fructis shampoo and using the pads of my fingers to massage my scalp. Once my hair is squeaky clean, I like to go in with my deep conditioner. Lately, I've been loving this almond milk ultra nourishing hair mask from Carol's Daughter. I like using this product both as a deep conditioner and to detangle my hair as well. The slip is amazing and it leaves my hair feeling super soft. I like to ensure that my hair is super detangled during my wash routine. This will just ensure that I don't have to detangle it while I'm styling it. And it will also help to clump my curls and keep them defined. After detangling, I rinse my hair one section at a time and then I apply my leave-in conditioner. The one that I'm using today is also by Carol's Daughter. I will link all the products that I use down below in the description box. You guys can check out my full detailed wash day routine on my channel. Yeah guys, I then repeat the same process throughout the rest of my sections and then it's on to the styling phase. I feel like the smaller the sections, the better and the more defined my hair is. So the first thing I like to do is to section into smaller sections and then I'm going in with my coil enhancing butter. I like to rake the product in with my fingers until it is evenly distributed and then I go in with the gel. Today I'm using this cream gel from Carol's Daughter. This is the first time I'm using this product and to be honest, I felt as though it was going to give me like medium hold and I really love my hair to be super defined, so I went in with my Eco Styler gel just to give it that extra hold. I'm applying some more of that Eco Styler gel to my roots and then smoothing it along the rest of my hair, just to ensure that it lays a little bit more flatter and all of the curls are defined individually. Yeah, and I'm repeating the same steps, just going in with my coil enhancing butter first, following that up with the curl smoothing cream gel, and then going in with the Eco Styler gel on top of that. I feel like these products paired really well together. My hair actually turned out really defined and it was super soft. I did not get that hard gel cast at all. So I think this is a definite win. The curls on this top section of my hair are a little bit more stubborn and it takes a lot more for it to be defined, so I'm just going back in and shingling it curl by curl just to ensure that I'm getting as much definition as I possibly can. For this last section, I'm soaking my hair with my spray bottle. You want to ensure that whenever you're applying your products, you're doing it to wet hair. This will just ensure that you get the best results and your hair is defined and moisturized. this is what my hair looks like, all defined. I allowed it to air dry for a few hours overnight, and then I sat under my hooded dryer for about an hour, and this is the final results. Now, as usual, I go in with my blow dryer and stretch my hair a little bit for some added length and volume. There's a video on my channel that goes into details on how I stretch my hair, so I'll also link that one for you guys to check out. After I'm finished stretching my hair, I just go in and finish up my edges just to make my hair look a little bit neater and sleek. And then yeah, that's it. Yeah guys, and that's it. This is the final result. My hair turned out really great. I love the definition that I was able to get. It's very soft. As you can see, there's a lot of movement. The only thing I will say is that I think I used a tiny bit too much product, so just bear that in mind because I did see a few flakes. If you guys have any questions, leave it down below. I will link all of the products that I've used in the description box. Yeah, thank you so much for watching and supporting this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!